Hi, Terry Ryder here to talk to you today about getting the most out of your reaching out package. And like any resource, its value is in being used actively, so I would encourage you to use these materials in as many different ways as possible. Today I'm going to run through the many ways you can use the Evergreen Reports, which are included in your reaching out materials. The Evergreen Reports are the Getting Started report and the How to Identify Hotspots report, and they provide a wealth of information that can be used in various formats to provide content for your clients. They are provided to you by us in PDF format. One of our reaching out clients explains why he uses them. He says the Getting Started and How to Identify Hotspots reports are very valuable for us as well. Being a small but growing business, one of the biggest things that we find is we've got limited resources, there's limited time in every day, and content production can be very, very time consuming, particularly if you're committed to producing it at a high level of quality and the information that goes into it. Terry takes care of that for all of us and frees us up to work on the things that we're much better at. So these reports can be printed and provided as handouts to clients in welcome packs or marketing packs, as well as general information for your staff. They also make excellent lead magnets on your website and social media to grow your customer database. The reports can be used as mail-outs in total, or parts can be used as a nurture sequence of emails for new or existing clients. Elements of the report can also be used to create articles for blog posts and Facebook Live videos with a particular slant that matches your business message. Let's face it, free content is gold to customers, and these materials provide you with solidly researched quality content that you can use to enhance your business profile and develop your customer relations. Bye for now.